This is what I ask everybody for a while. What does metal sound like?
If you were to take like a series of like miniature electric chairs and put bullfrogs into it, and then put those bullfrogs as they're being electrocuted into a blender, and then just like hitting record through a distortion pedal, it sounded like metal.
Have you ever seen a car accident?
Yeah, totally.
So like after the car stops moving and someone's leg got crushed or something like that, just laying in the street, just yelling, yeah, that's what it sounds like. What does metal sound like?
What does metal sound like? It sounds like trash. It sounds like garbage.